Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. Now, I did do this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, these lines down here are no longer really relevant. So I'm just going to use these for some of the nearer term levels. First area to talk about will just be resistance, and that's going to be up here right around 63 cents. I'm just splitting the difference. I realize the price did technically go up to, that area right there, but also at a couple other instances, the price didn't quite go up to that red line. So like I said, I'm just going to split the difference there and call it 63 cents. That'll be the overarching current level of resistance going forward. So if there are going to be any sort of breakouts or, overall continuation points, then 63 is definitely public enemy number one. Now let's talk about some areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price could stay up above 55 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below 55, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price does manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 55 would be awesome, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. All in all, though, another very nice day. Great way to start the week, so we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.